Good morning, guys. I'll be showing you a quick description on how to stay positioned for the Shalom token. So it's not all that hard. What you just need to do is make sure you first download the Zend Finance wallet. That's the Zend Finance wallet. So once you download it, make sure you complete your KYC. So once you do that, with you completing the KYC, you'll be able to fund the wallet. So let me just do a quick, let me go into my Zen Finance wallet I authenticate. I already created this wallet. So now to fund, what you need to do, you need to have your XRWA tokens. So I might not be buying, but I'll just show you the description for the sake of, so you come to add fund. So once you do that, you click on add fund. Now you can add your fund in various ways. You can add either through P2P or you use external wallets. So let's assume that we are using external wallets. You understand? So I'll click on that fund from external wallet. So the next thing you select RWA. That's the Zend Finance token. So I'll click on that. So then the next thing I'll do, now usually you can get this on gate.io exchange. So what you just need to do for gate.io exchange, it makes use of not the asset chain network but the Arbitrum. So you toggle this to ARP, to Arbitrum. Then you go ahead to copy this address. Once you copy that address, then you head over to your gates.io wallet. So here, let me click on say withdraw. I'm just doing this for video description. So for description purpose, you click on withdraw, then you go to on-chain withdrawal. I click on on-chain withdrawal. Then you search for XRWA. You can see that's the XRWA. Then you select on it. Now you can see the only chain here is the Arbitrum 1 chain. If I click on it, you can see that's the only existing chain there. That's the only existing chain there. So you go ahead, you come here, then you head back to your Zen Finance wallet. You copy this address. So once you copy that address, you come over here to paste the address. Then you go ahead to send your XRW. You enter the amount you want to and send. Then you send it to your wallet, your Zend Finance wallet. So after doing that, you click back. Those funds are already here. Then you go ahead to click on. You go ahead to withdraw this to your Web3 wallet. Now, how do you set up your Web3 wallet? That is a quick one. Let me just use OKX for description. I think I'll use BitGet as well. So this is my OKX wallet. Now this is your OKX Web3 wallet. So I'll click on OKX Web3 wallet. All right. So now you can see this is let me refresh that. All right. So you can see I named this wallet Shalom launch. So now the next thing you do is you click on this network sign here. So once you do that, you now toggle, here you have supported networks. You have RPC network. You keep on, you toggle it to the left. Now you see customs network, custom network. You click on that custom network. Then you go ahead to add network. So I click on add network. Now what chain am I using? So here I'm just going to enter all the necessary stuff I need to enter. So I'll just head to where I have the config. So I'll come here. What I have here, this is my URL. I'll copy the URL. Copy the URL link. Okay. Then, okay, that's the chain 4242. Then I'll come over here, RWA. Then the Explorer. Come back here, copy the Explorer, paste the Explorer. Okay, assets. Say chain. Then I'll go ahead to click on confirm. So let me click on confirm. Now you can see it has added the network. So the network is already added. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to get gas for this. So how do I do that? I'll go to discover. So once I click on discover, I'll just go to just type this moonpie.fun. So once you type that, you click on it and you click on that. It's trying to load. Yeah. So then you see, as I just launched it, it automatically just connected to my wallet. So it has connected to my wallet. So, but normally if it doesn't connect to your wallet, you can just click on it to connect your wallet. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this gas logo here. So I'll click on that. Yeah, it takes me to this gas station. Then I would click on I'm not a robot. I'm not a robot. So I'll click on that. And just try to complete these stuffs. Yeah, so once I do that, then I'll now tap on this gas logo here. I'll tap on the circle, so I'll tap on it. So it's trying to get gas. You can see the percentages is running up. Now take note, take note that my RWA was 0 before. So let's see. It's trying to add up. Yeah, it's 100% complete. So RWA sent successfully. So I'm just gonna go back to my wallet. So you can see it has successfully added 0.03 RWA. So now what you need to do now is to add the other import the other tokens. That's you import your XRWA, you can import your CNGN, you can import your USDT. So how do you do that? You go to manage crypto. So I'll click on manage crypto. Then I'll click on custom crypto. So I need to put the contract address. So all I just need to do is go to this place. These are the various contract addresses that you have for USDT, for WNT, for CNGN, for XRWA. You understand? So you copy these various contract address. So I'm just gonna do this. Now I've been able to copy my XRWA contract address. So I'm going to come over here to paste the address. So once I paste the address, yep, voila, you can see. Then I'll click on confirm. So once I click on this, confirm, now you can see it has added the XRWA token here. Then I'll go ahead again. Maybe I can go ahead to add my USDT. Okay, popular crypto. You can see it just brought some of these stuffs here, so you can just go ahead to add and add. Understand? So I'll go back here. But if it doesn't bring that, you just go and copy the contract address and import it here. So what you're going to do next is for you to send from your Zen Finance exchange wallet to this place. All you need to do is you click on this XRWA here. Once you click on the XRWA, you click on receive. Now note that this is on the asset chain network. So once I copy the address, then I'll head back to my exchange here. All right, let me authenticate that. Then I'll click on withdraw. So once I click on withdraw, then I'll select withdraw to another wallet. Understand? So I'll click on withdraw to another wallet. Then you toggle this guy to XRWA or RWA. That's this first one here. This first one here. So that is it. Then you input the amount. Now once you input the amount, you get up to a point where you select the chain. So you select asset chain. You have where you input the amount of XRWA or RWA you want to send from your Zen Finance wallet. Then make sure you select the asset chain network. So once you've completed all that, you're going to see your funds land in this place. So once your fund lands here, it will land under this XRWA section. Take note, this one is gas for the transaction that you're going to do. So now, on the day of the Shalom launch, what you just need to do is you come over here, come over to your Discover, then come here, go to this your MoonPie .fun, your MoonPie platform, this launchpad. Then you go ahead to click on it. So now here, if I search this place, you can see I have different tokens here. I have creep. Let me look at this. I have creep. I have tests. So you have different tokens here. You get. So you keep on scrolling, different tokens here. So let's assume that this creep were to be Shalom. You understand? Now let me just go back. Assuming that this creep were to be Shalom, or you can come over to search bar, the search bar here. Then let's search for Shalom. Though Shalom is not available for now, so I'll just come here Shalom. You understand? Type Shalom. Then let's assume it's that day you see the Shalom. But let's assume that this creep, this first creep here, this first token here is the Shalom token. So all you need to do is you click on it. Then you go ahead to click on buy. So let me click on buy. So now you can see, ladies and gentlemen, because I have a balance of 0 XRWA, assuming I had a balance, you see my balance there. Then you go ahead to buy. You click on buy, whether you want to buy 25% or 50% of your XRWA, or 70% or 100%. So it's as simple as that. So if I come over to, I don't want to make this video too long. Let me just quickly give a brief description on how to add that to BitGet wallet. So for BitGet wallet, you come over to this network place to here, you click on it, then you click on add network, then I go to customs network. So once I click on customs network, oh, you can see asset chain testnet is here, but asset chain test network is not what I'm looking for. So here, let me just click on others, a custom network, then let me type assets. So I'll click on add a custom network. So add a custom network. Then here you input all the parameters for your chain. So let me just come here to my, so I'll click on this, I'll copy this link. That's my RPC. I'll paste it here. The network name is RWA. I think the chain ID is 42420. I come back here. Okay, then I copy the Explorer. Copy that. Paste. Oh wait, network name. No, I think the network name should be asset. So, yeah, asset chain minutes. Yeah. So I think I'm wrong there. Asset chain minutes. Then I have my token is RWA. So then I'll go ahead to click on confirm. Click on confirm. This is BitGet. This is for BitGet wallet. So you can see, voila, it has added. So then I'll go back. You can see my wallet. So that is just how to do this. So cheers, guys.